Wala, and today I want to talk about a fascinating discussion I watched called "What Changes Stubborn Systems?" Two disruptors answer, and it is one of those talks that pushes you to ask, what does it really take to change systems that seem immovable? Systems built over decades, supported by tradition, habit, bureaucracy, and the sometimes resistance to new ideas. When we say a system is stubborn, we mean it is resistant to change. It has inertia. It has stakeholders who benefit from the status quo. Regulations, cultural norms, mindsets, lack of incentives, all these combine to hold in its place. These systems might be in government, education, health, business, or social forms. So the two disruptions in this talk, let's call them disruptor A and disruptor B. Share their experiences of trying to change such a system and more importantly, what really worked. So one of the disruptors emphasizes that to change a step-bound system, you need a powerful story or vision. Sometimes that connects emotionally, facts and data helps, but people move they when they believe there is a better future. The narrative must show why the system is harming or limiting, and how the alternative is better. Not just technically, but for the people lives. Change doesn't come from the one person alone. One disruptor describes the building coalitions, allies inside the system, outsiders, stakeholders, even critics. You need people with power, people with influence, but also people who feel uh, the pain of the system. When many voices pushes from the different directions, grassroots, media, policy system pressures build. Also giving agency to small actors, teachers, local leaders, and small businesses, people who can experiment and prove change at small scale. So, watching this TED talk was make me think changing a system isn't just glamorous. It is not about speeches alone. It is messy, relational, incremental. The small experiments, the conversation, the networks, the matter. So step-one system can change. It takes vision, story, and narrative, and it takes qualifications, bottom up to down, top down engagement. It takes the adaptive tactics, persistence, early win, learning from the failure. Even if you want to change, sometimes in your community, workplace, or larger social system, don't underestimate the power of small wins, of partnerships, and staying the course. Thanks so much for listening to me. I hope this motivates you. Pick one system you see around that stubborn. Think what is the one small change you can make, what you can bring with you, and how might today's little act become tomorrow's scientific different, systemic different. So this was my today inspiring TEDx Studio review. I hope you all like it. See you next time with a new topic of my TEDx Studio. Till the laugh is in end as always. Pakistan, Cinema. Take all of you. Allah Hafiz.